Hello guys, here I am today at Balasaheb Thackeray Gorewada International Zoological Park, Nagpur, which is the largest zoo in India. It is spread over the area of almost 2,000 hectares, and it has taken some 480 crore rupees of investment. And it is a very much impressive place to be, and a very much good place, or very interesting place for the hangouts at Nagpur. It is located near Nagpur. It is on the Katol road, on the Katol highway. When you take Katol highway straight from Nagpur, straight from Sadar, come 12 to 15 kilometers and you will reach directly to the gate of this Gorewada Zoological Park. This is actually the gate of this park. So here I have entered the premises of this Gorewada Zoo. This is a very large premises. You can see here at my left there is a large parking which can hold some thousands of cars at one place. Very large, very good landscaping here. Entirely natural premises, entirely natural conditions are being mimicked here, and it is a very good place. So here you can see this ticket window. Well, here are various safaris which are shown over here. Here we have leopard safari, then sloth bear safari, then herbivore safari, then tiger safari as well. At this end we have ticket house, then restaurant, pickup drop station is always here. Okay, so all these things, all these marker boards are being placed over here, so it is a good place. Well, I am at the ticket counter now. Let's see what are the ticket rates and where at what rate we are having the tickets. Well, I have the tickets now. The various rates of the tickets are AC bus, for AC bus premium standard rates are 400 and inaugural rate is 320 rupees. Then AC bus standard is 300 and inaugural rate is 240. Non AC bus is 400 and inaugural rate is 100. So these standard rates will be applicable after 28th of February 2021. Till 28th of February we will be having the inaugural rate. So avail this price, avail this discount rate, and these rates are for weekends. For weekdays the standard rate is 300 and inaugural rate is 240 rupees. So after this 28th of February 2021 these rates will be shifted to standard ones. So these discounted rates are just for few days. This is jewel in the crown of this park is like these lively statues of the animals which are created here. You can see here the bison, which is a lively creature, and this no way seems like a statue, but it looks like an original bison which is stuffed and being erected here. There are various statues like this. Let's have a look. Now, as we have seen the bison, you can see here the leopard. This leopard seems like it will just jump over me and will have the piece of my blood. Now you can see an antelope which is grazing over here, but this is not the original antelope, this is a statue, and it seems as the original antelope is having his dinner. Well, we have the bus now. You can see here This is a bus which is of Bharat Benz, decorated and very much impressive bus is here. Green colored bus which is completely colored in the, and it is going towards the zoo. Well guys, we are now in the bus. We are heading towards the safari, and this is a Bharat Benz bus which is decorated completely for the safari purpose. You can see here, this is a very cool bus and having large windows. You will enjoy the ride here. You can enjoy the ride here, very much details, and you can see here the large windows are given. The large windows are given so that you can have the pictures the pictures very clearly. You can capture the pictures as well.
उसका एक मैनुअल खुद से भी खुलता है और कुछ प्रॉब्लम आ गया तो उसे मैन पावर से भी खोल सकते हो.
Hey guys, now we are in the cage and we are heading towards the leopard.
तो अभी आप देख सकते हो पीछे वाला गेट जब तक वो पूरी तरीके से बंद होगा नहीं तब तक सामने वाला गेट खुलेगा नहीं.
We are in the leopard safari now, and let's see if we can see the leopard or not.
टाइगर लेपर्ड हम बाहर लेके जाएंगे तो ये ठीक नहीं है. आपके लेफ्ट साइड में एक हमने डेमो बनाया है इंडियन वल्चर का. जब वो बहुत खतरे में पड़ी स्पीशीज है, एक्सटेंड होने की कगार पे भारत में पहुंच गई है. जंगल में एक सफाई कर्मचारी का काम भी वो करते हैं. मतलब बचा हुआ जो सड़ा गला मीट है, पास दुर्गंध और किसी बैक्टीरिया बीमारी ना हो, वो सब वो खाते हैं, है ना. तो ये काफी एक्सटेंड होने के कगार पे आ गए, इसलिए हमने ये डेमो के तौर पे उसका यहाँ बनाया है. यस 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 वी आर ट्राइंग टू दिस कि उसका जो अभी ये क्यों डरे. एक वो दवाई थी 1990 के आसपास, लोग जानवरों को खिलाते थे, वो जब उन्होंने खाए तो उससे वो काफी विलुप्त हो गए, पता चला. वल्चर नहीं है सर, अभी एमपी में देखने मिलेंगे आपको, लेकिन अभी फिलहाल लास्ट मंथ वो टाइगर रिजर्व में वो हमको दिखे.
These are the cave paintings which are created artificially here, like the Bhimbetka.
हम प्रोवाइड करते हैं उनको खाना. डेली 5 kg मीट जो है वो लेपर्ड को देते हैं हम, और हाँ वो शेल्टर में वापस आते हैं अपने. सो बी अलर्ट, आगे लेपर्ड है, ठीक है. मैं बेस्ट पोजीशन में लाके ज्यादा पास नहीं ले जा पाऊंगा, दूर से जो है वो दिखा दूंगा मैं. सर अभी मुझे भी उतना कंफर्म नहीं, मैं भी अभी के साथ हूँ, बट लोकेशन मिला है. वाले पूरे बैठे रहेंगे नीचे. ये देखो सामने, ये सामने से चल रहा है. आ रहा है आएगा, 1 मिनट. वो आवाज दे रहा ना, वो आ गया, वो रोड पे आ गया.
Yes. We have spotted the leopard, guys. He is crossing the road. It is now crossing the road. See, you can see here the royal massive whales.
टाकना चाहिए. बस.
This royal animal you can see here. Wow.
नीचे में देखिए वो जहाँ पे बैठ सामने
Well, after this, this.
तो बघ चालला तो बसला आहे बघ.
After the great view of these leopards, we are now heading towards the next safari, which is, I guess, sloth bear safari.
4 भालू के बच्चे हैं जो कि हमने डॉक्टर प्रकाश आमटे सर उनके रेस्क्यू सेंटर से लेके आए हैं. तो लेपर्ड का लोकेशन मुझे मिल गया है ना, उसको ढूंढना नहीं पड़ा. भालू का भी मैं लेता हूँ, लेकिन टाइगर के मामले में ऐसा नहीं रहेगा शायद, है ना. तो फिर भी आप लोगों ने थोड़ा सा इधर उधर झाड़ी में ध्यान देना है. कोई भी काली चीज हिलती दिखी तो मुझे जरूर बताओ, मैं उसको कंफर्म करेंगे अपन.
बाबू टाइगर पे
These are the automatic gates, which are first of its kind in the India. These automatic gates can be opened wide when bus comes, and after that they close also in the automatic mode. So we are heading towards the sloth bear safari now.
सामने में ब्लू बुल्स है, नील गाय बोलते हैं उसको.
अरे पळत जंगलामध्ये घाबरले त्या.
सर मायसेल्फ निलेश मेंढे. सारी चीजें सप्लाई हो रही है सर, है ना. आप एक जू सफारी में हैं. हाँ है वो नेचुरल, मतलब कीटक वीटक हो जो जमीन से खा लेते हो, और चारोड़ी वगैरह के पेड़ है जैसे वो उसमें से खा लेते हो. बाकी जो फिर भी उनको देना ही पड़ता है, शहद उनको देना पड़ता है, फल देने पड़ते हैं. हाँ हाँ नेचुरल जंगल है झुड़पी.
खुशी आई चेहरे पे. टाइगर असं
We have spotted a bear. We have spotted a sloth bear here. It is right in front of us.
तो देखो खोद काम चालू है उसका. जंगल के किसान भी बोलते हैं उनको.
इधर नहीं है, पर अभी इधर नहीं है.
नहीं अशामध्ये सभी को खड़ा होना पड़ेगा इसमें. राइट साइड वाले बैठे रहो.
लोक दिला आपल्याला. ब्लॅक कलर के ये नहीं दिख रहे, दिख रहे. मागे खोल रहे. छान असली आहे असली
चिल्लाओ मत प्लीज, चिल्लाओ मत, चिल्लाओ मत. खुश हो गए, हमको भी खुश कर देना चाहते हो. 4 आहे 4.
See here, we have spotted another beer. This is another one, one of the 4. So we have spotted 2 or 4 today. Now we are stepping out from the sloth bear safari, and we will be entering now to the herbivores safari. Right now the gates are opening here, the automated gates are opening, and we will be entering the herbivore safari through these gates. You can see here the spotted deer, and very beautiful scene to see, a very beautiful animal to see, and this is a divine thing to be here. Wow. So here we have completed the herbivore safari, and the most awaited safari of this zoo, the tiger safari. And these automated doors are opening for us, and they are welcoming us. The tiger is welcoming us with the open arms. Let's see if we can spot the tiger or not. But before we can spot the tiger, we have spotted some nilgais.
स्कोप ढूंढना है.
We are searching hard for the tiger, but I think we are unfortunate today. that we are not able to spot any tiger. They are saying that they have 2 tigers here, but we have not spotted either of them yet. Let's hope so, without losing hope that we can spot the tiger before the end of the safari. But I guess we have reached the end of the safari and we have not spotted the tiger yet.
कळलं ते आम्हाला.
And we have reached the gates of the safari and
कुठे बसला असेल तो?
we have not spotted tiger. We are unfortunate today that we could not spot the tiger, but we have spotted other animals which are placed here. So the gates are opening for the return of Britain. We are going back and to the gates. Well, we have completed the safari right now. We are here at the bus station from where the buses are being left, and bus drops you here. This is a very good place. There are various safaris. You can visit the safari and you can enjoy the rides. We were not fortunate enough to see the tiger today, but yes, if you come here, you can look at the tiger. And I wish everybody coming here shall see the tiger, shall see all the safaris, and shall enjoy all the safaris. So please like, share and subscribe to this video if you like this. And goodbye for now. Let's meet in the next video. Bye.